हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स क्लास 9th जम्मू कश्मीर बोर्ड टुलिप सीरीज़ इंग्लिश के बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 2 गॉलिवर इन लिलिपुट पार्ट फर्स्ट। आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप सबसे गुजारिश है कि हर चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के वीडियोस पाने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो शेयर करें। शुक्रिया। चलिए हम बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, why did Reldresal visit Gulliver? Answer: because Reldresal was sent by the Emperor to discuss some important problem of the state with Gulliver. Question number 2. How did Gulliver receive Reldresal? Answer: he received Reldresal with great respect and honor. Question number 3. What were the two political parties in Lilliput? What were their differences? Answer: the two political parties in Lilliput were the high heels and the low heels. Their differences were the height of the heel of their shoes. Question number 4. Why was the government in the hands of the low heels, though they were less numerous than the high heels? Answer: because the emperor himself used to wear shoes with low heels and was in fear of the low heels. That's why the government was in the hand of the low heels. Question number 5. What was the external danger that the country had to face? Answer: the external danger was that the country was threatened with an invasion from Blefuscu. Question number 6. What was the question of religious principle that gave rise to the war between Lilliput and Blefuscu? Answer: the question of religious principle that gave rise to the war between Lilliput and Blefuscu was whether one should break an egg at the bigger end or at the smaller end. Question number 7. Why was the ancient way of breaking an egg prohibited in Lilliput? Answer: one day the present emperor's grandfather, when he was a boy, happened to cut one of his fingers while breaking an egg from the bigger end. So the emperor published an order prohibiting the practice of breaking egg at the bigger end. Question number 8. How did the people take the new law? Answer: the people expressed bitter opposition to the new law. Question number 9. What was the Emperor of Blefuscu's part in the internal trouble of Lilliput? Answer: the Emperor of Blefuscu gave sympathy and encouragement to those rebels who have escaped from the Emperor of Lilliput. Question number 10. What was the teaching of their ancient religion about the right way of breaking eggs? Answer: the teaching of their ancient religion about the right way of breaking egg was that all believers shall break their egg at the convenient end. Question number 11. What, in Reldresal's opinion, was the meaning of teaching? Answer: according to Reldresal, the convenient end of breaking an egg is a question for each man to decide according to his conscience. Question number 12. What did Gulliver promise to do for the emperor? Answer: Gulliver promised to defend the honor of the emperor and the country in case of any foreign invasion. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also share our videos with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.